Understanding, glad to be of help, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common but heartfelt phrase in the English language, glad to be of help. Understanding this phrase is not just about translating the words, but also about capturing the emotion and context behind it. It's a wonderful expression of politeness and helpfulness that is widely used in both personal and professional settings. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and when to say it to enhance your English communication skills. The phrase, glad to be of help, is used when someone wants to express happiness or satisfaction in having been able to assist someone else. Breaking it down, glad means happy or pleased. To be of help means to provide assistance or aid to someone. So, putting it together, when you say you're glad to be of help, you're essentially saying that helping has brought you joy or satisfaction. It's a polite and gracious way to respond when someone thanks you for your assistance. In personal conversations, this phrase is perfect for informal settings where you've assisted a friend, family member, or even a stranger, and they thank you. It shows that you were happy to assist and that their gratitude is appreciated. In professional settings, in a professional context, using glad to be of help can add a touch of warmth to your interactions. Whether you're assisting a colleague, client, or customer, this phrase helps to create a positive atmosphere and can enhance the relationship. Responding to thanks. The most common scenario to use glad to be of help is in response to someone thanking you. It's a way to acknowledge their thanks gracefully while expressing that you are happy to assist. While glad to be of help is a wonderful phrase, it's also useful to know a few variations to enrich your vocabulary. Happy to assist. Pleased to help. It was my pleasure. No problem at all. These variations can be used interchangeably, depending on the situation and your personal preference. They all convey a similar sentiment of being happy to have been of assistance. We hope this video has been enlightening and useful in understanding the phrase, glad to be of help. Remember, it's not just about the words you use but the kindness and willingness to assist that truly makes a difference in your interactions. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your daily conversations to express your happiness in helping others. Thank you for watching, and we're glad to be of help in your English learning journey.